How to copy your primary stream key on your channel on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Twitch, this is the home page, go to the top corner, click on your profile picture, then go down here, click on settings. After you click on settings, now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on channel and videos. After you click on it, now all what you have to do is simple. Go here again, click on stream. After you click on stream, it will take you here. Go to primary stream key. Now here is the stream key. Click here on copy and it's copied successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.